most first and business class features on some airlines is the presence of an onboard bar. And I'd say the most gorgeous onboard bar is here on Qatar Airways on their A380. There's probably seating for about a dozen people. So there's a bartender here serving any drink you could possibly want. So there are snacks. So I just had a glass of Krug, and now I'm having a lovely glass of rosé champagne. So cheers to the Qatar Airways A380. And it's only like 9 in the morning, so don't judge. Or 8:30 probably. So the Qatar Airways A380 also has onboard Wi-Fi, so if you're anything like me, you can sit here, take Instagram pictures from a bar while having champagne on a plane at 40,000 feet with a great view of a wing. It doesn't get much better than that. That's Aviation Geek Kevin.